In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Dashboard Hub from Monday.com, creating centralized, customizable dashboards that can integrate data from multiple boards and external sources. Let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do is install Dashboard Hub. To get started, head over to the Monday.com marketplace. Here, simply search for Dashboard Hub from Monday.com, and once you've found it, you'll click Install. This will add the app directly to your Monday.com account, so you're ready to take the next step. Once Dashboard Hub is installed, it's time to create your very first dashboard. Open up a board or workspace within Monday.com. Look towards the tabs and click on the New Dashboard Hub tab. This is where the magic begins. Inside, select the Create Dashboard option. You'll need to enter a name and description for your dashboard, and don't forget to set the permissions to either public or private, depending on who you plan to share it with. You have the flexibility to choose a pre-made template for some quick setup, or start fresh with a blank dashboard if you prefer to customize everything to your liking. Now that you have a dashboard, it's time to add some gadgets. Click on Edit, and then Add Gadget. This section is where you can truly make your dashboard functional and insightful. Browse through a variety of gadgets you can add, like board summary, formula cards, and various types of charts such as bar, line, or pie charts. There are also progress indicators you can use to showcase status updates or achievements. As you add each gadget, configure them to display the specific data you're interested in, allowing you to tailor the dashboard to your precise needs. Take the time to explore these options and ensure they align with the information you're targeting. Next, let's talk about integrating data from multiple sources. This is one of Dashboard Hub's powerful features, letting you centralize data from various locations. You can connect multiple boards within Monday.com to your dashboard, bringing cross-board information into one cohesive view. Additionally, it supports integration with over 10 external applications, so your dashboard isn't limited to just data within Monday.com. To enhance this further, you have access to nearly 100 pre-defined metrics and formula cards, allowing you to incorporate custom metrics seamlessly. Once your dashboard is set up and filled with all the necessary data, it's important to share it securely. To do this, click on the Share button on your dashboard. You'll have the option to enable public link sharing. For added security, set a password to restrict access, ensuring that only those you share the password with can view your dashboard. Share this link with your stakeholders, empowering them to view the insights without having access to other sensitive data within your system. And that wraps up our journey on setting up and utilizing Dashboard Hub for Monday.com. By following these steps, you'll have a robust, integrated system that's as informative as it is centralized. Thanks for watching, and happy dashboarding.